Hey there, in this Excel tutorial I'm gonna show you how to use autofill. Sometimes you want to enter a lot of repetitive information in Excel. Instead of typing it manually, you can use autofill to fill the cells with the data that follows a pattern. In this cell I'm typing 1. In this cell's right bottom corner you have to put your mouse pointer like this and you will see black plus sign. This is called as the autofill handle or fill handle. You have to use your left mouse button to click and hold it. Drag it over the below cells and leave the mouse button and you will have below cells filled with the value. Right now it has just copied the value from the first cell 1. But if you want a series of numbers like this, you have to give it an example and select both cells and drag it below, and now you have series of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are some lists already stored into the Excel, for example month names. You can type like this Jan in short or January, you can write it in full also and drag it below and Excel will give you the list of month names. Similarly for day names it also works. You just have to type Monday or MON and it will give you the list of days. For years, you just have to type 2011, 2012, just 2 years and then drag it below. Okay, so now you have list of years. Let's type here a date 10/10/2030. Drag it below using your autofill handle like this. Now you have list of dates. It is changing dates 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, but it hasn't changed the month or year because Excel knows that this is a date format. It doesn't have to change month or year. Let's type here time 9 AM. If I drag it below like this, now I have list of times with 1 hour difference 10 AM, 11 AM, 12 PM. See, after 12 it is automatically changing to PM. So Excel is smart enough to know that this is a time, so it should be changed to PM after 12. So again PM will be changed to AM. If we increase this list further, let's see. See. You can also generate multiples of number using autofill. You just have to give example like this 2, 4 and drag it below. So now we have table of 2 or multiplication of 2. See 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Alright. You can also create a list of numbers of your own format or of your own pattern. For example 1001, 2001. And select both cells and drag it below. So Excel will know that now it has to generate a list with 1000 difference. 1001, 2001. So next should be 3001. With numbers, Excel is smart enough, but if it is a text, then Excel will not understand sometimes your pattern. Let's say ABC, DEF. So even if we know that next should be GHI, Excel will not generate it. See, Excel will only copy it in the same sequence because Excel will not recognize that pattern. But you can store your custom lists into Excel. For example, student names, employee IDs, roll numbers of students by going into Excel options, advanced, edit custom lists. Autofill also works with the formulas. Concat, and I am selecting these both cells and pressing enter. So it is showing 1001 ABC. And if I drag it using autofill, see, in this cell formula is B30C30, but in this cell it is B31C31. So it is changing cell references accordingly. Excel knows that if these both cells concatenation is in this cell, so we want concatenation of these two cells in this cell, not these two cells again. Control down and right arrow, and now you can select this column and use Ctrl D to fill the below cells with the formula. or you can also use Control R to fill the cells to the right. It is showing concatenation of these two cells. Okay, I have used Control R and here I have used Control D. Okay, so remember that Control D, Control R are the shortcut of autofill. One more important thing I want to tell you, that is it works in any direction. I'm typing here product 1, and if I drag it to the right it will show product 2, and if I drag it to the left it will show product 0, and if I drag it up it will show product 0, and if I drag it below it will show product 2. I hope you found this helpful. See you in the next video.